on a forged Swiss passport.
These swords were forged to defend us against the hatred of men.
He was an illegal and the ID card forged.
Empires are forged by war.
All right, look, just forge the rest of them yourself.
You knew the right person straight away for forging stamps.
Chains have been forged into swords before now, Divine One.
This is what we're forging. But it's not going to be easy.
Forging. The surgeon that pretentious.
He can forge anything for good bash.
I put a forged document in your file.
Living in the British Dominion here in India on a forged Swiss passport for the last 3 years.
These swords were forged to defend us against the hatred of men. Men who persecute.
It was Victor Polyansky, Czech national. He was an illegal and the ID card forged.
He hasn't lived at his given address.
Empires are forged by war.
All right, look, just forge the rest of them yourself, all right?
From Czechoslovakia. He knew the right person straight away for forging stamps.
Yeah.
By their chains, High Priest.
Chains have been forged into swords before now, Divine One. Among these slaves, there was a prophecy.
This is what we're forging. But it's not going to be easy. As you can see, the paper contains...
Randall-Steckel forging. The surgeon that pretentious. Randall-Steckel genus.
Scribe the main mosque in Amman. He can forge anything for good bashish.
I put a forged document in your file on the day of your court.
About the signatures. Are you saying you forged Mama's signature? No. I'm saying I copied friends.
Those Cyclops helped me forge the god weapons. Have respect.
Barton, take the shaft down and haul it over to the workshop and forge it straight again. Now we can write to the makers for a new prop.
Robert, that was the great Redeemer, the fiery crucible which the only true heroes are forged. The one place where all men true...
They treated to burn harder and longer. I use them in my forge so I don't have to stoke it. These three in the furnace will ignite sequentially.
The prisoner's confession to murder. Take him to the forge and show him the instruments.
If your file was in there... Wait a minute. If we can get in there, I can forge us a Group 6 access.
Well...
Not a camera. Possible forged documents on 10 and 11.
Okay.
With your real signature.
Wow. How did you forge my signature so well? That is in...
You'll have to restart the forge. Awaken the heart of...
We have an opportunity now to forge something real out of everyday experience. Create a theater for the masses.
Remnants of these systems were forged into concentrated ingots. Infinity.
Yeah, I mean, for informants that might work, but for law enforcement, they just forge whatever they need.
Yeah, but with a few guys who got no show jobs, they take down a truck. Foreman goes, yeah, guy was here yesterday, shows us a forged time card. But they can't play them games of Veracom because...
Certainly. Anything else? You wouldn't like a forged passport or some counterfeit money or...
Note to Kurt Kelly's. I need you to forge a hot and horny but realistically low-key note in Kurt's handwriting, and we'll slip it onto Martha Dumpchuck's lunch.
This is unique. The shape and grain is unique. The shape and grain is impossible to forge.
I'm sure you all understand the legalistic...
The name on your fake passport.
All the information I have about myself is from forged documents.
Die geschmiedet wurden, uns zu knechten, endgültig zerstören.